I discovered the easiest side hustle with AI, and I'm excited to share it with you today. Can you believe these simple, easy-to-make videos are raking in thousands of dollars every month? And guess what? You could be earning that too, without needing fancy skills, showing your face, or even leaving your home. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's 2025, and AI tools are turning the impossible into possible. I'm here to show you exactly how. Now, I'm not here to sell you a fairy tale. It takes energy, effort, and dedication. But if you watch this video, you'll learn how to start and grow this side hustle using AI, making earning thousands of dollars each month a whole lot easier. Starting a YouTube channel the old-fashioned way means showing your face, looking good, becoming an influencer, vlogging and editing for hours. It's a hard road. If you want to take an easier way to succeed on YouTube, let me share a method with you. The method that's making people loads of cash is faceless YouTube automation. You create viral YouTube videos, but an AI does most of the work. These videos are super simple, just stock footage with a voiceover, and guess what? You don't even need to show your face, which I know stops a lot of you. Check out this channel here. According to Social Blade, it is making tens of thousands a month, but I actually earn way more than that, maybe hundreds of thousands. They're making tons of money from these interesting facts videos. These videos are also a hit on other platforms like TikTok, so using both platforms can really help you cash in. For example, this video right here has hundreds of thousands of views, and it's just stock footage with an AI voiceover. Forget just sticking to fact videos. You can dive into fitness, motivation, business, fashion, news, or just good old storytelling. The world's your oyster. Now, starting this side gig might sound daunting, but don't worry, you're not alone in this. Thanks to Invideo.AI, you can kiss goodbye to the days of spending hours searching for footage, recording voiceovers, and sweating over scripts. We're not living in the Stone Age here. It's 2025. Let the AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on more important things like growing your channel or petting your dog. With Invideo.AI, you can whip up a whole video from just one sentence. It'll find the perfect clips, add funky tunes, write witty scripts, slap on some subtitles, and even bless your ears with a top-notch AI voiceover. It's like having your own personal video-making assistant right there at your fingertips, ready to turn your ideas into awesome content in a snap. If you've enjoyed the video so far, please like and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot and helps me continue creating content like this. Now, if you're not a fan of AI voices, you can even create a clone of your own voice. Yeah, I know it sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? In this video, I'll walk you through how to use this tool to kickstart your faceless YouTube business without showing your face. Not only that, with just one pre-recorded sample of your voice, we can make you say anything in all your future videos. I will show you that too. Okay, so first step, open your Invideo.AI account for free. They are my affiliate partner for this tutorial. You can find the link in the description below. Once you opened up an account, click on Create AI Video in the Home tab. Now, I'm thinking of making a short video about interesting historical facts. You know, those little nuggets of info that pop up everywhere, like on TikTok and YouTube. They're like internet snacks, addictive. I am showing details of my prompt that you can copy and modify for your creations. Now, this is important so that it knows what it's creating, how long do I want it to be, and what other details do I want to have. Briefly, I gave the topic, stock footage style, target audience, and pace for the video. You need to be very clear about what you want because the AI is using your ideas to create the video. The more detail you give, the better the video. It's like adding extra sprinkles to your ice cream. Let's hit Generate a Video and move to the next step. After you click Generate Video, there will be 3 more quick questions to clarify your audience and style further. Afterwards, let's press Continue and watch the magic happen. It usually doesn't take long unless your video is very long. After it is created, we can then edit it further to your liking. Which leads us to step 3. Let's edit the video. Here's the plan. If we want to spice up this already awesome video, let's hit the Edit button. Now we can swap out any of the stock footage if we fancy something different or want to add our own clips. We can also tweak the script. Just click Script, then go in and edit any text you like and save. Oh, you can also use this prompt box to make changes. For example, you can change the voice over to a British accent by simply typing this. The tool is super customizable, making it exactly what you need. It just saves so much time. And the last step is exporting the video. When you're ready to export the video, just hit the download button. This tool makes video creating way easier than doing it all manually. With the free version, you get some limitations like watermarks on your clips. If you're serious about this side hustle and want to remove watermarks, make more videos, and use all those other features, you should upgrade to the paid plan, which is only $20 a month. With the paid plan, you get access to all cool features like voice cloning and stock footage, so you can make lots of videos in a short time. Paying for each feature like stock footage, AI voice, and video editing would cost a lot. But with Invideo.AI, you get everything in one place, which saves you lots of money. And you can even try it for free. The link is in the description. This side hustle is an amazing way to make money because in 2025, AI makes anything possible. But remember, staying consistent, committed, and putting in effort will turn this side hustle into a cash-generating machine. The AI is a powerful tool to help those who are ready to work hard, but it won't guarantee success on its own. It allows you to create content without doing all the grunt work yourself. So get out there and start creating. It is the best time to chase your dreams and make things happen with technology. Use the link in the description to start creating videos with AI for free. This will give you a great boost on your journey to making money with AI. I'll see you in my next video.